Some days, you don't want to hunt for a recipe. You just want to cook something good. With Recipy, you don't have to pick from someone else's ideas. Just tell it what you're in the mood for. Pick a vibe. Quick and easy, healthy, high protein, even something from your pantry. Say it's a Tuesday night, 20 minutes tops. Quick and easy it is. Now pick a chef. Every persona brings their own style. Home cook, spice fanatic, fusion artist. Hit generate, and Recipy's AI gets to work. It's thinking through flavor combinations, balancing proteins, vegetables, and the pantry staples you probably already have. It's picking techniques that actually fit your 20-minute window, writing real instructions with timing, heat, and the right order of operations. No templates, no recycled blog posts. Every recipe here is generated fresh, tuned to the chef you chose, the preset you picked, and the constraints you care about. And while it's writing the recipe, it's also generating a photo so you can see exactly what you're about to cook before you start chopping a single onion. And just like that, dinner's sorted. A title, a photo, a clean ingredient list, and step-by-step instructions. Everything you need to cook, nothing you don't. Try Recipy free.